Hey guys, it's week 45. Oh, I forgot. And today we're gonna do sound challenge.
The sound challenge, and the sound challenge is, so we both have different sounds, and Matthias has to try to make my sound, or the sounds I have picked, with his mouth. And the same goes with me.
We have a lot of different sounds, and if some of them are too hard, we're just gonna go with it.
Yeah, we picked the hardest ones we could find, and hopefully Matthias can try to do them, and hopefully I can try to do them, but I know I'll do it better.
Hey, well, can I go first?
Sure.
Just because this might be hard.
Yeah.
I won't get through it. Yo, you're gonna mimic the sound, okay?
Okay.
Try again.
You try it again.
Actually, I'm just gonna go like this. And the echo too.
Oh my gosh.
Try again, dude. You're bad at it. It's just. Better.
That's pretty good. So it's my turn, and I picked the whoopee cushion as my first noise. So I'm gonna blow it up
I
first.
think that one's broken.
It is, so we taped it. That was pretty good, dude. Okay, you want to do it again? Yeah, there's definitely a hole in here. You're really good.
Okay, up next I got squirting ketchup. Sounds like a song. Up next I got ketchup. There.
Go.
Can you try it again though?
Okay, one more time. Okay.
Good job. That was pretty
I think
good.
that was really good.
Yeah, that was really good.
So up next, I have a piece of paper. So I'm gonna move my microphone real quick. Ready? Dude, that was pretty good. Ready?
Oh gosh.
Pretty good, dude.
Up next, dropping legs. Usually we would say this is probably a mess, but this.
Oh.
Terrible.
Okay, one more time.
Oh, I found cheese. Ready?
Yeah.
Or,
Put them on the table. I think that was pretty good.
sure.
That's it.
Or do you want to try again? Like one more?
One more, that's it.
Yeah, I have a good idea for this.
Cause dude, I don't want to keep getting embarrassed.
Okay. Oh, they splatter. They splatter quick.
Okay.
Good job.
Up next, we have this beautiful soda can, LaCroix. Not sponsored, by the way. Hey, if you guys want to, you know you could. Ben, we're looking for a sponsor. So, Matthias, you're gonna try to mimic the sound of opening a can of soda. Ready? Or LaCroix.
Only one
LaCroix.
chance. Yeah, only one chance for
Ready?
this.
What about the bubbles?
No!
Try it. Dude, that's pretty good.
Up next, we got apples. Thank you, mysterious hand.
I mean, can I use the apple? Oh.
Still eating.
Oh. So, can I try it? Next
Next
up
up.
is my turn, and I picked the stapler. So Matthias, I'm gonna snap it or stapler it, and then Matthias, you're gonna have to try to copy the sound.
Don't
Ready?
staple it on me.
Ready? Okay, I'm doing it again. Sorry. Ready?
Yeah. Or
Oh gosh, that's pretty good, dude. Ready again? That's pretty good, dude. You're really good at these.
up next, the toaster or the toaster strudel, as we like to call it. But it's still like ordinary toaster. So let's get this audio there. The second part too. Bad. Okay, let's try
It's hard to do the spring. Just try it again.
Let's try this to the max.
It's hard to do the
It sounds like a
dude.
bell. You sound like a bell. Ding. Remember 2 parts?
Okay.
Alright, let's do this fast, right?
So, I think we had lost count, and that was Matthias's last item. And this one is also mine. So, I'm gonna ring the bell, and Matthias has to try to copy the sound. This is my difficultest one. Ready?
Wait.
Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I held it, sorry.
Ding.
Like, do it again, try it. Ready? Let's do this.
Ding, ding.
That's pretty good, dude.
Try it again. I don't.
Close your eyes and try and do it. Just the sound.
Ding, 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 ding.
Good job, dude. Thank you guys for watching our sound challenge. This idea came from our friend Neil. And if you guys like this, definitely tell us, and maybe we can do another one. And just so you guys can keep watching us and seeing us, and to follow us, you can go on your Instagram, and we have our own page now. You can follow us at the One Shot Kids.
We got this like about 2 days ago or something.
Yeah, a few days ago. And also talking about Instagram, we just did our first Instagram live with our friend Raul.
There they are.
What the heck?
Hey, Billy Matias, what's up, fellas?
We did an Instagram live. We talked about our channel.
And he's the one who actually made us Jedis.
Yeah, he's the one. If you
Jedi
guys remember,
Masters.
in like 20 weeks back, we were Jedis, right? And he's the one who trained us and gave us the certificates. Here's the link to that. You guys can usually see it, but we can't. So it's probably over here, or like here.
I ate it. Is it in your nose? Oh, check.
But besides all that, we want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And we'll see you guys next time on week 46. Bye, guys.
I need you to concentrate, okay, Matias? And when you're ready, throw them. I just got the Skittles. Oh, they came too early. Wait, did we just make 2 of them?